Perfect food storage is about more than just refrigeration. It's also about an odour-neutral environment. That's why Miele offers an active AirClean filter. This filter eliminates odours at source and ensures that each food retains its own characteristic aroma. The Miele Active AirClean filter simply attaches to a glass shelf. Air circulates through the filter and odour molecules are neutralised. The Active AirClean system consists of an air filter with active charcoal and a layer of chitosan. Chitosan is a natural product which binds grease and odours. The filter system absorbs and binds aromatic molecules from food and from the air. The result? There's no transfer of odours and aromas between different types of food. The refrigerator provides perfect storage conditions, even for strong-smelling food. Miele Active AirClean filter ensures that food keeps its natural aroma.